Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel TechNet Guide. Friends, in this video we are going to learn what is load balancer and how it's work. So friend, load balancer is a device which is used to distribute the load and balance the network traffic of the server to every server. Suppose we are running 500 server, 10 server, 100 server, so it will distribute traffic among that servers. So friend, nowadays an application has a multiple user, more than millions user. Suppose Facebook, Google's and Insta has multiple user, more than millions user at a time accessing their application. So that load balancer require to distribute the traffic. So friends, there is another advantage of load balancer. So load balancer keep doing health checkup of every server. Okay, if any server go down, then it will not send traffic to that server. It will send traffic to another server. So it's also distribute traffic based on performance and connection of server. Roles of the load balancer is prevent downtime. Okay, prevent downtime, doing health checkup frequently. If server went down, send traffic to another server. Optimization, load balancer checks utilization and less response time of the server, so load balancer can optimize the traffic. Number 3, scalability and flexibility, distribute traffic based on the performance and connection of the server. So why load balancer required? What happen if load balancer not in network? Let me show you here. So you can see there is no load balancer in network, is connected with server connected network switch. So if there is no load balancer, so all connection will be hit on the server 1. Okay, all connection will be hit on the server 1. You can see utilization 50%. If all traffic going hit on the server, then it will increase utilization 80%. Now utilization went 90%. After 90%, server went down. If server go down, your traffic will be sending here again and again, but it's not reaching, means application will be down. Okay, that's why load balancer required here. Okay, so friend, let me show you how load balancer works. So you can see my client PC connected to load balancer connected to all these server 1, server 2 and server 3. You can see, and this is my client PC. If any request come to server, it will distribute to all server one by one. So you can see request 2 going to server 2, request 3 going to server 3. So it's distributing traffic to all server. If server 1 got down here, then it will send traffic to this server, it will send traffic to this server. Here let me show you types of load balancing method. So load balancing method, there are 2 types, static load balancing and dynamic load balancing. Okay, so in static load balancing there is a round robin and IP hash. Third is weighted round robin. Now in dynamic load balancing, list connection, list response time, resource based, weighted list connection. So friends, in dynamic, so let me show you how it's work here, these types. First, going to show you round robin. Okay, all server connected to load balancer and client PC. Now request 1 for client PC 1, request 1 going to server 1. Okay, and then second connection will hit on the server 2. Then on the third connection will hit on the server 3. And again fourth connection will hit on the server 1. Now fifth connection will hit on the server 2. Sixth connection will hit on the server 3. This is called round robin. First will hit on this server, then second hit on this server, then third hit on this, fourth hit on this, sixth hit on this. Okay, fifth hit on this, sixth hit on this. This is called round robin here. So next method, let me show you next method here. So friend, you can see second is weighted round robin method. In this method, administrator assign a weight to the server based on capacity, and this server weight is high, means this server can handle more connection compared to others. Okay, and this server can handle more active connection compared to this server. So administrator can assign a weight to this server. Okay, any traffic will give priority to this server, weight higher weight server. Okay, now you will see server 1 weight high will receive more traffic here. Okay, you can see request on go to the server 1, request 2 also will go to the server 1. So weight is high means it will receive more traffic compared to others. Okay, it will receive more traffic compared to others. Okay, so that is called weighted round robin. So next is IP hash. It generates hash value based on source and destination. So like in IP hash we can assign. So in this method, like it's a static one. Statically we can define that this PC sent traffic to server 1 only. So what will happen, how it's work, like it's like it's combine the source IP and destination IP of the server and generate a hash value. Okay, generate a hash value here. Okay, hash value, then it's mapped to the hash value to a specific server, then map hash value to a specific server. Suppose this PC hash value will map to this server, so this PC traffic will hit only on this server here, only this server. This PC traffic will hit on this, only this server here, statically here. Same client PC traffic will hit on the specific server. If I want my traffic, my PC3 traffic will hit on server 1, it will hit on server 1 here. Okay, it will never go anywhere. Okay, that is called IP hash method. So let me show you here. Request 1 will hit on server 1, request 2 will hit on server 2, request 3 will hit on server 2, request 4 hit on server 2, request 5 hit on server 2. Means client PC2 hitting on server 2 here only. Okay, this is called IP hash method. Okay, now friend, you can see dynamic list connection. Means suppose you can see this server has list connection 10 connection, 10 active connection, this server has 70 active connection, this server has 120 active connection. So you can see, so traffic will hit on the list connection server only. First give priority to the list connection server. So first traffic will hit on this server here, then it will hit on this one. So you can see request 1 hitting on the server 1, request 2 also hitting on server 2, request 3 also hitting on server 2. So all three connection hitting on server 1 because it's a list connection here. 10 connection only, this server is 70 connection. Now request 4 also hit on server 2, request 5 will hit on server 2 here. Okay, so that is called list connection. Now next is list response time. So you can see list response time. So friends, in this method, because load balancer also optimize traffic here. Okay, so it will check here which server has a list response time. So you can see server 2. So you can see server 2 has list response time 2 ms 2 millisecond here. Okay, server 3 50 milliseconds, server 1. So traffic, it will send traffic to this server here first, then this one. Okay, so request 1, you can see request 1 going to server 2, request 2 going to server 2 because it's list response time here is going to server. Okay, then second list time connection is server 1. So you can see this server has a high response time, so traffic will not going to hit on this server, because if traffic will hit on this server, that it will create slowness in the network. Okay, that's why traffic will not hit on the server. Now friend, you can see resource base. Means load balancer keep health checkup of the server here, keep doing health checkup. If any server utilization gone high, okay, you can see available resources, it will calculate based on CPU utilization and memory. Okay, you can see available resource only 20% here. available resource only 50%, available resource 75%, means this server utilization is low. Okay, this server health check was good here. Okay, so you can see 20% utilization, so traffic will not going to hit on the server. If traffic going to hit on this server, then utilization will go high here and server might be crashed. Okay, so what will happen, let me show you. Request 1 will hit on the available resource 75%, so hit on this server. Okay, we're not going to hit on server 1 because its utilization is very high, 80%. Okay, so second also will hit on the 50% traffic. Okay, that is called resource waste. So now next is weighted list connection. Weighted list connection. So friends, in this method, weighted list connection method, administrator will assign a weight to the server based on capacity and assume that server can handle more active connection compared to other server. So you can see admin has assigned weight 15 here, weight 2, weight 8. So all traffic will hit on this server. Give priority to this server. All traffic will hit on this server, weight 15. Give priority to this server. Now second priority will be weight 8. This server 3. Second priority will be server 3 here. And first priority will be server 1 because its weight is high. Based on like it can handle more active connection here. Okay, compared to others. So administrator has assigned the weight of the server based on like CPU, based on memory, based on capacity of this server. So admin can be assigned to weight of this server. Okay, so this is called weighted list connection here. So friends, in this video we have seen what is load balancer and how it's work and type of the load balancer. So friends, thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.